Legally Speaking with Crocker Law.
We often hear lawyers say that unless you win your case, you won't owe any attorney fees. But Cindy, exactly what does that mean, and is there somewhere a catch buried?
Yeah, that's a good question, because I think people often find that a little hard to believe and they're looking for the catch, especially if they've had other types of cases. Because, for example, if you've had a divorce, you probably paid your attorney by the hour. If you had a will drawn up, you might have paid a flat fee for that. But at Crocker Law offices and in most firms that do injury work, it's done on what's called a contingency fee basis. And what that means is the lawyer gets paid a percentage of what you get. Whether you get it in settlement or whether you go through a jury trial to get it. The lawyer's fees come out of what you get, and they're not paid until the end at our office.
So are all the percentages the same, or does it vary? How do you decide that?
When a lawyer takes your case on a contingency fee basis, they're required to give you a contract in writing. And when you hire a lawyer, you should go over that with them. What is the percentage? Some lawyers will charge one percentage if it settles and a different percentage if they have to go to a jury trial. But a very typical percentage, say for a car accident case, would be a third. And then lawyers will also sometimes charge for expenses. Another thing you want to be clear about, because people are very nervous about owing money, understandably, you want to be clear, do I pay the expenses up front, or do the expenses also come out at the end? In our office, nothing is paid. The client never writes us a check. Everything is paid out of the money that they recover in an injury case.
And so you look at the cases all pretty closely, and I'm sure feel confident before you take one on?
Sure. I mean, when a lawyer takes an injury case, they're accepting a risk. And here's the other thing. When I tell a client, I think you should take this offer, we have the same interest. I want them to get the best possible settlement that they can get.
All right. Well, join us next time for Legally Speaking.